This is day one of scaling my AI agency to 100K a month, 50K a month, 300K a month. I'm not even sure yet, but it's gonna be high. So this video is actually very much inspired by Nick. You probably can recognize this format. So basically, what am I doing today? What am I doing this week? And why am I excited? What I haven't learned. This is for future self and very few people watching, so that you're up to date with what I'm doing. So there's no comments or followers or anything to document right now because I'm basically just getting started. But today, well, actually, no, yesterday, I created a new Instagram account. I created a new Instagram account right here. It's called Visintelligence. We'll see if that sticks. Visintelligence. There we go. This is my new account. As you can see, 0 followers, 0 posts, 0 everything. And I'm waiting actually to send my first cold email campaign soon. So my first cold email campaign will look something like this. We have some domains here. The setup is still pending, but I already have my campaign ready to go. We have here, if we go to sequences, you have here an AI personalized icebreaker and then the rest of the copy. So we'll see how it goes. I'm very excited. I just shot a video, basically my first reel. I'm not sure if I will post it yet because it didn't turn out great. And what else? Oh yeah, the automation that I was showing in that video, basically. So these are the automations that I have in my account right now. This one is a bummer. As you can see, it only says Notion, but I was actually working on that for a long time. And when you go to history, you can see what the automation actually should look like, which is something like this. As you can see, it has a lot of modules, but I forgot to click on save. So we'll have to figure out how to fix that. And I'm doing this so that in the future, when I see this, I hopefully laugh because I have a better way to do it. But where do we go from here? The video that I was just shooting, I was actually demoing an automation. It's pretty cool. So the automation looks a little something like this. You sync it with your with your Go High Level calendar in this case. So here I'm just going to type in my name. Well, actually, now we're going to do Tim Cook plus bun 415 4620 or something. All right, then we're gonna do Tim at apple.com, company name, Apple, apple.com. And then here's the cool thing. When you go to schedule a meeting, then what's gonna do is it's gonna activate this automation right here. We'll see if it's activated right now as we speak. But here, research automation, this one. We're gonna click on it. And basically what happens is first it receives the webhook and then it will take our company information and it's going to feed it. So basically about us, our mission, vision, all of that fun stuff, services. And then what it does is it Googles the company. Well, it doesn't Google it. It goes through their website and it's going to analyze like everything about them, company overview, market positioning, operational insights, content and branding, all of that fun stuff, their messaging. And then this other module, also Perplexity, is going to go and look them up online, find them on press, podcasts, etc. And it's going to give us like a summary of like other stuff around them that's not just the website. Then what's going to happen after that is Claude is actually going to create a summary of the research. And finally, here ChatGPT will create a value proposition based on this research summary and based on our agency services and who we are. This is going to create like the specific value proposition for them. Finally, Claude will write that into an email and it will send us that email. The end result is pretty cool. So contact details, company summary, it will give us a very good idea of the company. And this is awesome. Oh, actually, because I activated the automation by booking the call, I just got the email again, basically. And here, so company summary, key facts, alignment and value proposition, and questions to ask the clients. So this has a lot of very cool benefits. So the first one is that it will qualify the leads for us. Basically, this will tell us if we can work with them or not, if we can accept them or not. But number two is it's gonna make us seem ridiculously professional when we jump on the call, because when we jump on the call, we immediately will know how we can help them, and we will have very deep, insightful questions that we can ask them. And bonus points if you like print this out and then you can hold this on the call, which will really show that you did your research. And to get even more fancy, because we connected Go High Level to Make, we can even send a webhook back. So basically here we could add another webhook, send it back to Go High Level, and we could send them a personalized email or a personalized text or WhatsApp based on their website. So it could be like, hey, we went through your site, we really like this, and looking forward to your call. Can you imagine how much better of an impression that will make on them? So yeah, pretty cool stuff. And so yeah, this is what I was showing. This is what I was demoing. And yeah, we'll see what kind of cool stuff I'm working in the future. But I just wanted to post this, put it out there. We'll see if anybody sees this. And yeah, I'm just looking forward to growing this agency a lot. It feels very cool because I have experience already in web design, marketing, funnels, all of that fun stuff. So I joined this program, the AAA Accelerator. It was a little bit expensive, but I like that I don't feel like a beginner. And I like that the program also wasn't advertised like that. Like I feel like when I'm watching the modules, it's a very nice blend of I'm learning new stuff, but also like I'm not very basic. And so, for example, I feel very confident in my email copy, and I feel very confident in when I take the sales call. So yeah, overall, I'm just feeling very excited about what this is going to look like. Hopefully, it will grow well, fast and quick. Well, quick and easy, but well, with business, you never know what that's going to be like. So yeah, just very excited, and we'll see how it goes. Talk to you soon.